Shane of the Backyard Choppers YouTube channel has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, this is the box of stuff that I sent to him. And here's what he did with it. I'll just use what Shane described. Boom! We've got the goods from the back of the shop and Backyard Choppers. Coming straight to you are 4 unique vehicles for your maximum enjoyment. Vehicle 1 is straight out of the Mad Max field of vision with a sheriff's car to intercept any would-be no-gooders. Originally a 1970 Buick GSX, now running a twin supercharger engine belting out as many horses as needed to chase down anyone along its way. Passenger officer gets to ride shotgun on top with a .50 caliber mounted machine gun. It has stage lights on the roof rack for added visibility in 0 dark hours of the night. Vehicle 2 comes in as the wretched box Scion XB, retrofitted with hover technology, and is classed as a rig destroyer with a huge 60mm cannon on its back and plenty of mid-range firepower for its attack run. Vehicle 3 is the Motosaurus. This dyno took the shop for a headspin while building it out. It has twin .50 caliber rotating mount that is also used as the driver's cockpit. We fitted tank tracks and special supercharger at the front of this beast with the great tusks added to it. Also, it received ample exhaust with the mister inside to belt out the ponies needed to turn those tracks and meat makers into working death traps. This machine is the bone collector. And last but not least, we head into the city to find my boss picking up a synth girl, or chromer as we called them. This car is straight retro with advanced hit and hover technology. Good luck getting that girl in the car. This is a great build, Shane. This is wild. There's a wild variety to it. And I'm thrilled that you did do a build of the Motosaurus. That cracks me up. So everybody check out his YouTube channel. He doesn't have any videos yet, but I encourage him to do some. Subscribe to his channel. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.